Investing in stocks and shares can seem daunting, but it's a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Let's break it down. First, what are stocks and shares? Essentially, when you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of a company. This ownership entitles you to a share of the company's profits, usually paid out as dividends, and grants you voting rights in shareholder meetings. So why invest in stocks? Stocks have historically offered higher returns than other asset classes like bonds or savings accounts, though they do come with higher risk. When a company performs well, its stock price tends to rise, increasing the value of your investment. However, if a company performs poorly, the stock price can drop, potentially leading to losses. There are various strategies for investing in stocks. One common approach is buying and holding, where you purchase stocks and keep them for the long term, riding out market fluctuations. This strategy is based on the belief that, over time, the stock market generally trends upward. Another strategy is active trading, where investors frequently buy and sell stocks to capitalize on short-term market movements. This can be more profitable, but also riskier and time-intensive. Before investing, it's crucial to research and understand the companies you're interested in. Look at their financial health, industry position, and growth potential. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in a mix of companies across different industries can also help mitigate risk. This way, if one sector underperforms, others may balance it out. For beginners, mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs, can be a good starting point. These funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, making it easier to invest without needing exhaustive knowledge about individual companies. Lastly, remember that all investments involve risks. It's essential to assess your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Start with what you can afford to lose and consider seeking advice from financial advisors if needed. By staying informed and patient, investing in stocks can be a rewarding way to secure your financial future.